Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 13th of May 2024. Once again, if this is your first time of joining our analysis, please, I would like you to click on the like button. I would like you to subscribe to this channel, and then I would also like you to make your comments in the comment section. Last week, I want to appreciate those that commented last week, and then someone made mention about the volume, and I believe that this particular one is audible enough. I hope everyone is hearing me clearly. If you have any issue regarding the volume or anything at all, any suggestions, anything you want us to improve on, please, we will gladly hear your own point of view. We will gladly welcome your constructive criticism. Please, anything you want to tell us, please say it in the comment section. We want you to watch this video. We want you also to watch our previous videos. We want you to follow the analysis, and the most important thing, we want you to make profit. So you can fund the account, open a trading account. We have brokers we are using. Major broker right now is XS. Just go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram, and then you will see the link there. Even this video, there is also link. Yeah, I'm going to put a link on this video so that you can click on the link and then register with our broker, all right, so that you can trade with good trading conditions. All right, so once again, welcome to this week analysis. Let's start with XAUUSD. We are going to be seeing we are going to review what happened last week, and also we'll let you know what we feel the price will go this week. The essence of this analysis is just to give you the direction of the market, and that's what every trader is looking for, to get the direction where the market is going. All right, that's the most important thing, and that's why I don't like to make it complicated. I don't want to use so many tools. Even the smart money concept that is reigning, that everybody talking about smart money concept, other blogs, and all those concepts, they are very good. But the most important thing is to use those tools to know the direction of the market. Because once you know the direction any pair is going, and then you trade towards that direction and you make profits. So that's the most important thing. What is direction? For example, this week now, what is the direction of gold? All right. So this is what we talk about. So let's start with XAUSD, which is gold. So we have been telling you that gold trading right now is somehow risky, but what we do is we always go to lower time frame and look for opportunity, and we have been sending signal to our pay group. The last signal we sent yesterday, last Friday, yes, it has. We sent gold. We saw gold on Friday, and you can see it has hit TP5 because our TP5 was 2350. So let's go to lower time frame so that you can see it. Let's go to lower time frame. You will see that the price is currently around 2350. It broke 2350, but where gold is right now on a short time is a buy. All right, so you may see this video and the buy may have ended. So that's why we always look at the long time. So but if you're on our paid group, if you want direct signal to give you, to let you know when you can enter so that you get the entry point instantly, then you need to reach me at Dubiss1 so that you can join our paid group. But right now, I'm just buying gold for a short time to 2360. Right now I'm buying gold to 2360. So next week when we come back, I will see who saw this video early and then you took entry points and bought to 2360. So I'm already on profit. I started buying around 2348, so it's already on 20 pips profit. So let's see if we get to 2360, and then I'll book my profits. All right, so on a long time, let's look at the long time. On a long time, gold most likely, all right, a lot of people believe that gold may continue to go grind higher, as in to move higher to break this previous high here. For me, I'm not seeing that yet. I'm seeing that there should be a good retracement, and that's why I see what we have drawn from here to here to here to here. We are believing that gold may go down. All right. So, like I said, we are not sure if gold will actually move up to. Let me take this, because you can see that this move higher up to this point. So this is this week analysis. So we are still believing that it may even move, gold may even move up to like this to give us a good W shape, which is maybe move to around 2400 again, or 24 around 2400. Then from there, gold could now eventually fall. All right. So this is possible scenario. So like I said, is on lower time frame that you can get entry points, and we are just trading gold on a short time basis until we see price actually, if price will respect here and then fall. And then once we notice a good move, of course we need to look at fundamentals also, and then we know how to trade gold. But what I'm thinking is that for today, gold may move a little bit higher, as in on a short time basis, but on a long time basis, I'm feeling that gold should sell, and up to at least sell up to 2200, as in up to 2200. That's my long time basis. So let's watch. So I will still leave it. I will just leave this until the whole thing is played out. Like I said, most people believe that gold will break 2430, but I'm not seeing this happening soon or happening this year. So let's watch and see. Except the problem in the south, in the east, all right, the Hamas, the war, all those things. If they continue, and then we could now see gold break this previous high that it made last month. So let's go to GBUSD. In fact, this week most of the pairs we analyzed last week is still almost the same way, as in no great move. There was no great move last week, even though we made profit. We made 1000 something pips, which I will show you. But I'll show you from our Telegram channel, even the paid group. I'll show you, and then show you our free channel also. But if you join there, you get it directly. Dubiss Forex Academy. So look at for GBUSD, as far as this price is still within this zone, all right, until we see a proper retest here, price go down, until we see a proper break here, price retesting it as a support before price will go up. So it's still around a decision, a very critical point. So we watch out. So just go look at the price, just look by the side, you see where the price is, 1.2521. Even though we are on a buy, and that buy have hit TP1, so we are just watching. For those that enter that trade, you must move your stop loss to entry point to watch, because price could actually respect here and fall down, or until this place is broken, price retesting it as a support, then you can know that price will continue to grind higher. So Euro USD is currently very close to trend line. Okay, we told you that once you see price, we were selling Euro USD based on our analysis, that once you see price coming to this trend line, that you should sell, and we sold. You can see how many pips we made, very good profits. Look at it. Last week I told you that price, we eventually retest this trend line, and then you should sell. Look at it. This is almost 100 pips. Look at where we were last week. I told you price will eventually move up to retest here, and then price before that price have touched it and it's coming down. You can see that price is also still trying to go back this resistance point or trend line to retest it. So at the moment now, you don't need to take any entry until you see if price, except those that entered last week when price hit here, then make sure you move your stop loss to entry point. All right, and make sure you partial close, because any trade that have moved up to 50 to 100 pips, you are supposed to have partial close, because anything can happen. Okay, so let's go to ADUSD. Like I said, all the thing we analyze is still like that. These are, if you watch our previous videos, you see that these analysis have been there. We have not seen price break or move greatly. Some of them is within 50 pips to 100 pips. So look at AUD-USD. I told you that this particular place here will serve as a resistance. At least the price will respect it and come down. All right, but what we are looking at on a long time is price breaking it, going to this strong resistance level, which is around 0.6900. all right, price getting here, this is a strong resistance, or we will see price actually respecting here and then fall. So where price is right now, our advice is not to take entry points, because we really need to see if price will break here, or once we see a price action, either engulfing candle, or we know price action. If you don't know price action, then you need to join the academy so that we can teach you both the candlestick patterns and all the price action. We can teach you for you to know when you can see price action and then use it and take your entry points. So for NZD-USD, remember we told you that we are buying NZD-USD at least up to 61.8. Currently price is at 50.0. Why I put all these things is that so that you check and see where you can get, where price may likely get here and stop or retrace a bit. Price has gotten to 50.0, and that is why you see price is struggling there until this further place is broken and gotten to here. So if you do not take entry that time, you can't take entry here because it's already late. Because if you're taking entry here, it means your stop loss should be below here. So you need to wait, all right, until probably when we see a sell on NZD-USD before you can take your entry. Okay, so let's go to USD card. USD card, like I said, this video is going to be short this week because most of the trades are still, most of the trade we took are still valid. We are still on the trade. Let me show you USD card. We're selling USD card, and I highlighted this particular place for you to tell you that is a key level. Anywhere we highlight, go and look at the price. Look by the side and check the price. Okay, you can see that the price is around 1.3600. This is where from between just around 1.3600. That's where these key levels are. So you look at it, you know, it's a zone. It's not a particular price. It's a zone. A zone. Key level is a zone. Okay. So what do we mean by key level? Key level are the support and resistance level, or the supply and demand zone, or accumulation and distribution zone. Any one you want to, any of the vocabularies you want to use, they mean one and they mean same thing. Okay. So for USD card, congratulations once again to all the people that took the trade. We started selling from this point, and let's see how many pips. This over 180 pips. All right, so you can see that this our key level worked very well, as in price got there and it respected it, and you can see the rejection. All right, so I know for those in paid group, the trade have not hit our TP5 because we still believe that the trade will go further, and that's why we always tell you to also ensure you always be booking profit and then you trail your stop loss. So we have made, in paid group, we've made 150 pips. For those that follow analysis and you get the entry from where we entered, that's over 180 pips. So we still believe that price, as it has respected here, it may go up and then later on price will still go down. So what is working out right now is these harmonic patterns. You can see the harmonic patterns. If you want to get these harmonic patterns, just reach me on Telegram at Dubiss1. All right, it's not costly. I'll give it to you. so that it will also enable you to know when to exit smartly from the market. Okay, so for now there is no any new entry for USD card. Then for USD CHF, you can see that this our first scenario we analyze is still working out, which is that price will go down from here. We told you that if price break here, retest it properly, then before price will continue to go up. As at last week, we told you that this is a fake breakout, because you can see the retest didn't happen, it went back inside. So we told you that if here is retested, then price will go down. So price is still ranging around here, so there's possibility that USD CHF will go down more to at least 61.8. GBP CHF, GBP CHF. All right. I told you that until here is broken before price go up. So let's delete this so that it will still not be there, because we've seen that this place has been playing out very well, which was our first scenario. We analyzed this 2 weeks ago, and we told you that as far as this place is holding, okay, because this is a key level, even if you drag this, you see that it will still get you to this point. So it's a key level, and you can see that price has been respecting it. So we are anticipating that price could get down even up to this point. At the moment, GBP pairs are trying to bullish today. Yeah, all of them are bullish today. GBP USD, GBP JPY, even GBP AUD, GBP SND. So you can see that price is moving up, but on long time basis, price could still go down, I think, up to this point. So let me extend it so that you know this is where we can get another entry if you're looking for good entry points for GBP CHF. For GBP JPY, look at it like I told you. Price, we bought this pair and we also sold the pair, but we just made some I think, yes, we bought this pair and we made 250 pips, but the sell trade we just made only 50 pips and price is still going up. So we don't want to enter again. We wait and see if here is going to break before we can take any entry for GBP JPY. At the moment, no trade on GBP JPY. Look at it. Remember that there is analysis I showed you before on a weekly time frame, even on a monthly time frame, that this pair, wait, let's look at that on a monthly time frame. Yes, there was a analysis I made before. Yes, that on a monthly time frame, that price could even move higher. Let me open it small for people to see. Yes, on a monthly time frame, that price, let's delete some of this. Okay, that price could actually get to this point, which is around 217 yeah, 210, even get to 238, even get to 250. Right, I am telling you, on a monthly time frame, you know, JPY has been very weak. So what is playing out right now is this harmonic pattern is not yet complete, though it may start to fall from here. So price could grind higher, all right, up to this point, up to here, up to this point. So if you're trading GBJPY, be very careful. Okay, so that this analysis still stands. Analyze this, telling you, look at when I analyze that price from here, that once here is broken, that price could go up, and look at what I draw, that it could get up to this point. So what is happening, what a lot of people don't know is that you need to go do what we call top-down analysis. Go and check the long-time direction of a particular pair, and then you can trade in that direction. So what you now do is that on a lower time frame, on a daily, for those that are intraday or daily traders, you look for opportunities to just, for short entries, you enter, you make your 50 pips, 100 pips, and you exit. But if you're a position trader, then you need to look at a long-term basis and then you trade in that direction. Okay, so for Euro AUD, we told you that price could come down. Yeah, that was 2 weeks ago. But from last week, we told you as far as price from here started moving up, that price could continue to move higher. So it's still what we're playing out. Price is still moving up. So this week we are still expecting price to move further up. Same thing with Euro NZD. Euro NZD actually hit 38.2, and that's why I see price is expecting it moving up. Okay, but we have visited trade on Euro NZD. We didn't enter trade on Euro NZD even though it hit 38.2. So we took the one where we took Euro AUD and we have made profit. And also UJ, we did not trade UJ, but I analyzed UJ, telling you that as far as this resistance point here, look at the key level we identify. As far as price have respected it, look at the price. In fact, when I dropped that, price was still going down, and you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5. So we're here and price touched here. I told you that price will move up from this particular point. That was when price hit here, and this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Last week you can see that price respected and moved that. So those that entered the trade, even though me I did not trade UJ, those that entered that, wow, this is a good profit too. 300 and something pips, more than 370 pips. Okay, so for AUD JPY, we traded it 2 weeks ago. We sold and we made some good pips. But right now, because JPY is weak, it's still moving. I'm not interested in AUD JPY, and I'm not seeing any entry points at the moment. Then Euro card, we made good profit from Euro card because we entered. I told you that as far as this particular structure is holding, that price will go down. So immediately we saw price there, we entered. We are still on the trade. Me, I've booked my profits. Last week there was news fundamental on card, and we sold, and that was Friday last week, and it hit our TP1. We are still on the trade. Price is trying to retest it. Okay, so let's still watch. We still believe that price will go down further. So for GBP AUD, price is still very much is still an active trade. We are still on the trade. It just hit our TP2, and you can see where price is. The first trade we sent on it TP1, second one TP2. So we are still on this trade. We are still believe that price will go up. If you measure from here to here, see that those that are seeing this video can still take entry points from here. Look at it, over 500 pips. We are anticipating that price will move. So as far as here is still holding, price will go further up. And same with GBNZD. Let me highlight it because I did not highlight it. Let me highlight it for people to see. You can see the particular one that is playing out. Alright, this is the one that is playing out. We entered a buy last week Friday, and we are still on that buy. So it have hit our TP2. Let's measure. It have hit our TP2, which is up to 100 pips. So we have made 100 pips. We are still believing that price will still move further up. Alright, we still believe that price will move further up. Okay, so let me identify some key levels so that when you see price here, you will know that you can look for a way to book some profits. Okay, so these are some key levels that I need to highlight for people to see. Okay, so this is GPNZ. So this is where we end for today. Remember, we are just looking at the direction of the market, and you trade towards that direction and make good profits. So let's look at fundamental before we call it a day. So for fundamentals, which is the calendar for the week, you just go to Forex Factory. You can see today there's no much news, only inflation expectation for NZD. So this week we have some fundamentals. Look at it. From starting on Tuesday, Clement can't change for GBP, and then we have core PPI news for USD. So tomorrow and Wednesday, CPI. Please take notes. Just go there, open the folder, Forex Factory, open the folder, you see the usual effect. Okay, so call CPI. So there will be some volatility on Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then Friday, there's no much thing on Friday. So the days that market will move this week are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So today, no much movement. Being Monday. So Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Look at, go to Forex Factory, and then you see the red folders. Focus on the red folders. Then let's see our channel. Dubiss Forex Academy is our channel. Dubiss Forex Academy. All right. So subscribe to this channel, and then I'm also going to send free trades here. I sent 2, all right, last week, which is look at the GBP AUD and the Euro AUD. So this week I will try also and send some trade also. Those trades I sent, it did hit TP, so it's still valid. Those trades are still valid. Okay, so you can still enter the trade GBP AUD and GBP NZD, even Euro AUD. They are still valid for a buy. Okay, so let me show you our paid group for you to see. These are paid group where we send signals. Okay, these are paid groups. So those trades, I told you that we bought gold. Look at it. We sold gold last week Friday. Look at when it was sent, and it has hit from 2375. It has hit our TP5, which is 2350. So we made 250 pips from gold. Okay, so these are the trades, and when we send it, look at the GBS that I told you we are buying it. I've hit at TP1. Now today it has hit TP2, so we are still buying it. Look at the USD card, as I told you, it hit at TP1 today. Now it later hit at TP2, which was also updated. Okay, look at it, TP2. Look at the Euro card I told you. So all the trades, all these things we're analyzing, we are taking the trades. If you want to get the right entry point, then you need to join our paid group. For the free group, we send some. We cannot send all the trades there, right? Because it's a free services. If you want paid services, you get our full services in full. Please like this video. Let's have your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Join or follow us on all our social media handles. Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram, and Telegram, TikTok. Just search Dubiss, you will see us. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.